All right, today we're going to take a look at an example of finding area. This particular problem asks us to find the area of the tire pictured below. Now, one thing we probably have to specify is that the tire does not include the inner rim part. So when it asks us to find the area of the tire, we're only looking to calculate the area of the black rubber portion of this wheel. So in order to do that, there's a key concept that we must know. We must know that the area of a circle can be calculated by taking pi times the radius of the circle squared. The radius of a circle is the distance from the center to the outside edge. So using this formula, we're going to start by calculating the area of the whole wheel. The area of the whole wheel is going to be pi times the radius squared. Now, the thing we have to look at here is this radius of the rim is 10. If we add the 5-inch measurement for the tire, we would have 10 and 5. So the radius of the whole wheel is 15. So the area is going to be pi times 15 squared. 15 squared is 225. So if we don't want to round, we can leave this as 225 pi. Now, that, again, is the area of this whole particular region here, or the whole wheel. If we want to find the area of only the rubber, we are going to need to subtract this particular area inside here to find the area of only the rubber portion of the tire. So to subtract that, we're going to have to do another area formula, and this time we're going to look for the area of the rim. The area of the rim is also a circle, so we're going to take pi times the radius of the rim is 10 squared, which is 100 pi. If we go ahead and subtract these areas, 225 pi minus 125 pi, that is going to give us the area of the tire, or this outside portion, as we saw when I erased or subtracted the area of that rim. So our final answer to this particular problem is 225 pi minus 100 pi. This is equal to 125 pi. And because we're talking area, we should include inches squared. So the area of the tire, the rubber portion here shaded in red, is 125 pi inches squared. This is an exact answer. To approximate, you could type that into a calculator and round to a few decimal points, but for now we're going to leave it exact.